Okay, this video is going to guide you on how to use Equidistant to do analysis, just like the way I am doing analysis now. Do you understand? So a lot of people are finding it difficult to analyze their charts like this, how to draw these lines. Do you understand? So if you check my chart now, almost all my chart, I have done analysis on all of them. I will just be switching. You can see I've done analysis on all of them, all the charts. This is V75. You can see this is demo though. You can see I've done analysis on all of them. So my own is just to come and check what is happening and then adjust the I need to adjust the chart. I hope you understand. Now, how do you do this analysis by yourself? How do you do this analysis by yourself? Now, the easiest way, if you cannot use the single line, which is this is what I mean by single line, single trend line, you can make use of the equidistant. Now, equidistant is a double line. It's a double line. Once you add it, automatically you are going to see something like this on your chart. Now it's now left for you to now start moving it. So let me show you example of, let me clean this one. Let me show you example of what I'm talking about. So once you click like this, you come to this place on your chart. You click on this play button here. So once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So you can see the plus sign. You can see the plus sign. This is the plus sign. So if you want to add equidistant, you just click on that plus sign and then you search for whatever you want to add. This is the equidistant channel. You can see this is the equidistant channel. So I have it already, so I'm going to click on it. This is it here, equidistant, this one. So if I select this equidistant, it's going to bring me to my chart, and then if I just tap on my screen, okay, sorry, let me do that again. Equidistant. So this is it. This is how equidistant looks like. So your own is now, you are going to, this one is not, can only move down, up. It is this one you can move to anywhere, this one. Do you understand? So the equidistant is going to help you like this. Now I can just, do my chart like this. I hope you get. So this is equidistant for you. Now the market is trending on, make sure your trend line is perfect. Something like, don't go and be drawing jargon's trend line. That's why I told you about this equidistant, because you can decide to say you want to use a single trend line to map out your all your trends, and then you are doing rubbish. So equidistant is going to help you. Now if you are an experienced trader, you can make use of the single trend line. Now the single trend line, I am experienced. Let me just use the single trend line. Now I can connect from here. I can connect from here to here. Do you understand? Then I can look for another. You just plot everything you can think of that, this is synthetic indices. Every move is very, very important. You need to be able to plot everything. Now this is done on what? This is done on 4 hours time frame. As you are plotting on 4 hours time frame, you also need to come to smaller time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, you can plot something like this. On 15 minutes time frame, you plot something like this. I hope you get. So the market is on a downtrend. There's another one, is this one, but this one is no more valid. From here to here, So another trend line like this, another trend line like this. Let me draw this one. Sorry. Okay. Another trend line like this. And what else can we draw? Now you can come to 5 minutes time frame. Maybe you are going to see, okay, it's okay like this. Now this particular one, now this trend line that we draw, we are looking for the market to do something like this, retrace back to here, and then possibly continue going down to come and touch this place. I hope you understand. So you need to be able to plot everything together so that you have a good view. So this is for VIS 25. So let me just go to another one. I was talking about 751 index before, and I was looking at this Fibonacci 6.1. Unfortunately, the market did not get here. Had it been the market got here, it would have been a very, very good sniper entry. Do you understand? It would have been a very, very good sniper entry. The market will just come here, touch this zone, and then there's going to be a massive sell to the downside. That's for Fibonacci. I have done video on that. So let's look for another market we can just check out. Now this one, now let me go to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. You can see where the market is heading to. The market is heading to the upside, and then we are looking at the market might get to this zone, then do something like this. Who knows? But let's go to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, the market is on a uptrend. So what are we going to do? We are going to do something like this. We are going to do something like this, and then expect the market to, when the market wants to retrace, we should be looking at somewhere around here before the buy will continue to the upside. So you need to be able to make use of the equidistant. Now if I want to use equidistant at this zone here, this particular zone here, what I will just do is I will just come here, add, select the equidistant, and then do something like this. Yes, something like this. So equidistant could help you see what you are not seeing if you are to draw your use the single trend line to draw your line. So this one now, the market could, when the market touch this zone, this trend line, the market could do something like this to the downside. Sure you understand? So you can learn how to do this analysis, how to draw your trend line very well, so that you are going to be making good money for yourself. I hope you understand. So that is it about how to use equidistant to draw your analysis.